What's up, guys? Another video today with Exclusive Outdoors, and today we are going to be talking about the anti-tick spray. I have a brand here, but I don't want to give out the certain name just because the name of it. But you can find this at any local farm supply, maybe a tractor supply store of some sort, maybe a Walmart, online anywhere, anything that has
Permethrin
in it. So, the archery season is just around the corner, so we're going to be starting off with spraying down our hunting clothes. That way we don't get any sort of ticks on us, getting Lyme disease. Don't want to mess with any of that kind of stuff. Alright, so about 2 years ago, me and my buddy Paul, we researched this chemical to use for ticks, and we even put it to the test last year, where he wore his treated hunting clothes out in the woods, and I did not. I just wore my regular clothing. And when I ended up coming back with over like 20 ticks on my body, and he didn't have a single one. So this stuff does work. There is a name brand called Sayers. You can get this at Walmart. It is already chemically mixed, so you don't have to do any math or anything to get it mixed. But if you could do some basic math with this, this is a lot cheaper way to do it. And if you're into hiking, camping, biking, walking, maybe your yard, you can use this as a spray just to kind of keep the ticks down. This chemical you do not want to use on pets or any sort of fish, so don't be dumping this in your fish tanks or ponds, or spraying your cats down with it. But everything else is good to go with spraying. This was originally for farm stock, any kind of horse, goat, sheep, pigs, cows, horses, you can use this stuff on. Just do not put it on cats or fish. Alright, so we're going to start the mixing process for this. This bottle is a 10% straight concentrate mix. What we need to do is to get it down to 0.5%, which is 0.5 out of 10%. So what we're going to do, we have to fill this up to 1 ounce with a 19-ounce concentrate, just water. And that will make 20 ounces of the mixture that we need, which comes out to 5%, like I said, which is a
0.5%.
Which comes out to 0.5%, same as Sayers at your Walmart. So what we're going to do first is just squeeze.
You have to take the cap off first. Be careful not to spray it in your eyes.
Be careful with pumping the chemical up. So we want it up to 30 milliliter,
1 ounce,
which is 1 ounce, and we pour it directly into the spray jug.
You can also use a spray bottle too.
Yeah, you can use any kind of spray bottle. We just have a half gallon pump sprayer here, and then you take your 19-ounce water. Pour it right on in there. So now we have 20 ounces of our mix, which is, so we end up making 40 ounces of our mixture, just so we have just enough. So now we have, 40 ounces, almost 45 in this half gallon. This bottle is the bottle from last year, so we almost used maybe half of the bottle from last year for this. But to start spraying this down, it's recommended to use 3 ounces per garment, but we just kind of give it a good soaking.
Garment too.
So while you're spraying this, you want to just keep it on the outside layer of any of your clothing. You don't want anything on the inside. Like I said, it will eventually chemically kind of irritate your skin. It's not going to be nice. When you're first spraying this on, it does smell a little bit like kerosene, but after it dries, that smell doesn't seem to be as strong. And for those guys that put their clothes in dirt, kind of set behind them, like I do, I barely even smell it anymore. So last year I used this, and none of the deer even smelled me up in my stand or anything, so it should be good.
Yep.
All right, so we have all the clothes finished up and they're out drying now. But if you feel the need to put on a second layer, go ahead and do that after the clothes are dried. But like I said, just to wrap everything up, this bottle is under $20. So and it comes in 32 ounces. So all you need is a 32-ounce bottle of this. And it recommends that you use distilled water. You can use any name brand of distilled water you can find will work. But all right, so one of these bottles will make 32 20-ounce mixed bottles for spraying. As going spray bottles, you can go with something big and heavy, or you can just go with the simple, easy regular spray bottles you can find in a local store. But just to wrap everything up, that is how we treat our clothes here in Pennsylvania for ticks, to keep away from Lyme disease and all that nasty stuff. Don't want to deal with that in the middle of archery season. But like always, like, subscribe, leave a comment down below what you think of the stuff. If you have any questions, I'll definitely